9 common programming mistakes and how to avoid them. Welcome to our video on 9 common programming mistakes and how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out in the world of programming or you're a seasoned developer, it's important to be aware of these common mistakes so you can avoid them in your own code. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is using global variables excessively. Global variables can make your code difficult to understand and maintain, and they can also lead to unexpected behavior. Instead, try to use local variables and pass data between functions as needed. Mistake number 2 is not properly commenting your code. Comments are essential for understanding and maintaining your code, especially if you or someone else will be working on the code in the future. Make sure to include clear and concise comments throughout your code. Mistake number 3 is not properly handling errors. Ignoring errors or not properly handling them can lead to unexpected behavior and crashes in your code. Make sure to include proper error handling in your code and test it thoroughly. Mistake number 4 is not testing your code. Not testing your code can lead to bugs and unexpected behavior. Make sure to include thorough testing in your development process, and use a variety of test cases to ensure that your code is working correctly. Mistake number 5 is not following a consistent coding style. Having a consistent coding style makes your code easier to read and understand, and it also makes it easier for others to contribute to your code. Make sure to follow a consistent coding style throughout your code base. Mistake number 6 is using hard-coded values instead of constants. Hard-coded values can make it difficult to understand the purpose of a value and can make it difficult to change the value later on. Instead, use constants or variables to store values that may change. Mistake number 7 is not properly handling memory. Not properly managing memory can lead to memory leaks and crashes. Make sure to properly allocate and deallocate memory as needed. Mistake number 8 is not properly handling concurrency. Not properly handling concurrency can lead to race conditions and other unexpected behavior. Make sure to use proper synchronization techniques when working with concurrent code. Mistake number 9 is not optimizing your code. Not optimizing your code can lead to slow performance and increased resource usage. Make sure to optimize your code for performance and test it with realistic workloads. And those are 9 common programming mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember that by being aware of these common mistakes, you can help ensure that your code is clear, maintainable, and free of bugs.